Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another na Hoʻomalu ka Malama, the Hawaiian words of the month. We've been centering our thoughts on words that deal with protection and safety, creating refuge, which is Puʻuhonua the last time around. Today's word is Hoʻomalu, taken from the root word malu. Malu means to shade, to protect, to guard. So to cause, to bring under the care of, or the protection of, to keep still, as in meditation, or to be quiet before prayer. Our sentence today is, Ua hoʻomalu ia kākou e ko kākou au mākua. We are protected by our family guardians. A wonderful concept of our relationship with our past in our Hawaiian culture. Hope you've enjoyed this Hawaiian word, and to all of you, we wish you all aloha and ʻōlelo i ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.